Very good evening, friends. So this is our second webinar for the day. So we are coming up today with a Group 2 Management Accounting paper. Myself, Mohd Asthaf, your Costing and Management faculty at Eduhome Connect. Yes, I don't want to make this webinar very longer session as majority of you are planning to write your exam in this June and you have just 12 days. So in these 12 days ahead, now major friends having a concern that, sir, how to tackle the topic. We have to learn a lot from the marginal costing decision making, where we have to learn transfer pricing concept, make or buy decision, key factor analysis, then product mix decision, then we have to go with expansion planning, then we have to discuss close down, shutdown decision, and we have other topic called the standard costing, and we have a topic called the budgeting. Then lot of small topic. So can you give me some clarity so that we can manage our time effectively so that prepare in the next 12 days very effectively? Yes, that is the main reason we are coming up with the special session for you. So, my dear friends, we are giving you an overview about the subject so that you can get pakka clarity on how to approach the management accounting. I know majority of you aware about the current exam pattern, but some friends may not be aware about it. So for them, let me tell you, right now your exam is MCQ, 15 into 2 mark, 30 mark MCQ, which is called as section A model. Then we have section B, which is descriptive model. So first of all, let me tell you, before telling all the strategy, major students will do one mistake. What they will do? They will think that MCQ I will return last, I will prepare last. I will go with what? Section B. See, section B, you are correct, 70 mark weightage is there. But the problem is what? Examiner may not give always full mark for you, but MCQ, no one can reduce your mark. And one more main thing, there is no negative mark for MCQ. MCQ, there is no negative mark. That means if you return the MCQ, you will get the mark. If you return A is the correct answer, you will get the full mark. You don't want to worry at all. So, my dear friends, what I want to highlight you that you have to first write MCQ only. So MCQ, once you get the proper grip, 30 mark, 25 mark if you got, then balance mark only you have to get from here. So you have to plan with it. So a lot of friends will have a doubt that, sir, how to prepare MCQ? That I will tell at the end. Now we are discussing how to crack section B. Time management is very important. As all of you know, we have 2 to 8. That is, we have 7 questions. If some friends may not know, for them I'm telling 7 questions. We have to rate 5 out of 7. We have to rate 5 out of 7. That means all the questions are not compulsory. All the questions are not compulsory. We have to rate only 5. That means we have 2 choice questions. So now we are telling the cracking. So before telling the cracking strategy, first let me tell you how the questions are coming. 2A, this first question is a theory question. 2A is a theory question from the chapter introduction. This is very easily you can score. Only 7 pages in your ICMA material. What is management accounting? Difference between management accounting and financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. What is the relevance of management accounting? That's all. That you can write in your wording also. If you learn just a small topic called activity based costing, you will get 7 marks. If you learn just a activity based costing, you are going to get 7 marks. So here theory 8 pages only. So 8 plus this point, you are getting 14 marks. No, but even this 8 mark, 7 mark, they get 3 marks because theory you may not get full mark. 7 plus 3, you got 30. MCQ 30, 30 plus 10, 40. Already over. First question. Now let me tell you this area. Question number 3. It's a 14 mark question, friends. This 14 mark question, they are asking a combined essay of all these topics. That means if you want to solve this question number 3, you should know about product mix decision, you should know about CVP analysis, you should know about shutdown decision, you should know about other concept called expansion of margin, everything. That is how your questions are coming. So this is a 14-mark question. Question number 3, this is your one of the recent December 20 question. See, if you go for question number 3, it starts with page number 1, continuing in page number 2, it is finishing at the end. That means your question number 2, 3, it's a 14-mark question. See, reading this question itself will take 5 to 10 minutes. Then understanding, then rating will take more time. Question number 3 is a time consuming question. So my suggestion is what? That you will understand or you will be implied by the end. So question number 3 is a time wasting question, time consuming question, which will make your more tough for the time planning. But I will tell you the strategy. So question number 3, if you feeling the same question what you learned in your regular class or your ICM period, same question is coming, you won't take enough time for reading. This question is not from study material, this question not from previous year. So if what happened for a normal student, he has to read the question, garlic hotel fries, room 50, room 50. So he has to read all the paragraph, see everything, letters. If a standard question is coming forward, no problem because it's a table, numbers are there, no problem on that. But here we have to learn all the point, understand the point. Because it's a new wording for you. So at the time, attending this question is a time waste. Don't do that. But this question is the data of what you learned in your classroom. Then for you understand, okay, this was the adjustment, this was the test, check everything correct, yes. Then write exam. That's a timing of 7 to 10 minutes of reading and understanding question you can say. Because as all of you know, you have 180 minutes in that 100 mark, 1.8 is the average. A 14 mark average time you can take 25 minutes. But actually, if you take 10 minutes to 5 minutes for reading, balance 15 minutes you can't read because calculator adding. Because for me, I am using Excel, I will get very fast. So the time maybe make it will take some around 35 to 40 marks. This will have a negative impact. But same time, if the paragraph you know already, if you know already, then what will happen? If the paragraph, if you know already, if the paragraph, if you know already, then what is the benefit, my dear friends? The one line point, what I have to tell you. If the paragraph, if you know already, then one line I will tell you. For reading, it will take 3 minutes. Solution, even if you take 15 minutes, total you will complete 8 to 20 minutes. You are getting a 5 minute savings. You know savings you record. Let it take 25 minutes also, no problem. Disadvantage. Sir, that means do we want to skip the marginal costing? No. Coming to the fourth question. See, marginal costing, normal question is coming. This is your December question. What is a profit? Small question. Time is less. Again, small question. That means your question number 4 will be 7-mark marginal costing. So marginal costing, we have a weightage of 28 mark in descriptive itself. That doesn't mean that you have to write that fully. Your thinking is question number 4, you have to rate 7, 14 mark. This question number 3, if the paragraph is familiar, you rate. Unfamiliar paragraph, don't take because time management very difficult. I know. Because as a faculty, we ourselves will take 5 minutes for understanding the paragraph. So students, you will take more than that. I want to get you because we have 12 days for exam. So we got this area pakka, one topic, small in 7 papers, one topic, you are getting 14 marks. Marginal costing, you got 14 marks. See here, your question number 6 says standard costing. No, not this here. Here, budgeting. Question number A, you have budget or standard costing. It means let us take 14 mark from standard costing, 14 marks from budgeting. See, if you see the question pattern, see the question. See this question number 5 is a 14 mark standard costing question type. That is, sometimes this will come standard costing, sometimes this will come. Ulta will make sense. So question number 5 came standard costing. See? Here, this is a 14-mark question. Why difference between this question and this question? This question starting from the first page, ending at the end of the second page. But here, this question, see, nothing paragraph. Material, labor, quantity. This is a small paragraph. Balance everything, data only, table. You can complete within, the reading time is very, very less. While solving the problem itself, you can read. This is not ditto from your study material, but still reading the question is easy because standard costing question is coming. This kind of table only is coming. So you can save a lot of time. So look here, you are getting the answer very easily. 14 mark you can get. So standard costing, don't worry, crack very easily. You can crack. Coming standard costing 14 plus another 7 mark also. See what is the time involved? Directly 7 mark. Everything is given. So 21 marks standard costing. Pakka we have to solve. Sir, you are telling it's very easy. 28 mark marginal costing, 21 mark standard costing. This itself 14 mark. But I don't know, sir, standard costing and budgeting, sir. What I will do? I haven't get proper class. Don't worry, friends. We are coming for you. Like this session, we are coming for you. A great marathon for you. This marathon is for you, friends. We are coming for you from Saturday onwards. This session. From Saturday onwards, you are getting a detailed timetable. We are coming a marathon of keen concept, marginal costing, all the previous year we are going to do. Standard costing, all the previous year we are going to do. So you don't want to worry how the questions are coming for exam, what is the test, everything we are going to tell. High weightage topic only we are going to discuss. We are not going to take any small topic. Even exam decoding, this exam decoding only now we are discussing this point. That is also we are going. So what I am telling is you can able to just scan the QR code and register, you will get the benefit. It's fully free of cost. So don't think that 50 mark we don't know, you will skip it. No, we Eduhome Connect is committed to make you that you're getting past this dual attempt because we know the feeling. Inder is struggling level. The moment you pass your intermediate and you reach your final, then you never won't want to think of it. You can go complete your course. And everyone will think, we joined CMA course, what happened? I went for employment, no lower salary. Now I promoted into a managerial level or assistant managerial level. You are still at a student. These kinds of words students are getting from others, your friends at colleges. So the moment you pass your intermediate, everyone can prove that yes, you are not just a ordinary, you are an extraordinary student. You are capable of completing this personal course. Yes, we want to prove that. That is why we are committed with you, my dear friends. So we are coming to this webinar. So how can you can just scan register, not this scan. This is the webinar scan. Yes, this is the webinar scan. You can scan and register. You can just follow the YouTube page where we are coming with all this marathon session YouTube videos also. So you can go with YouTube, subscribe Eduhome Connect page, you can get that also. So coming to our discussion, maybe because of your now itself you are getting 50 mark, you don't want to go. Small topic called EVA. EVA and all 2 point, you understand any question you can solve. Learning curve or balance for one question. See this small area, if you want to learn this 28 mark, you require half day. Marginal costing, if you want to solve the bigger question, you require 2-3 days preparation. So think, my dear friends, EVA learning card decision theory, small chapter, you're getting 28 mark. Do you want to take effort on that? No. So your strategy should be try to attempt question number 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, and question number 1. Now, actually, if you feel now you got extra, you can feel even marginal costing 3 and 4 also you can skip, but I won't think that because you will have MCQ. If you want to score MCQ, you have to know marginal costing concept even. So go with 2. You can left out maybe theory, question number 2, or this is some small theories there. So question number 8. So you can either go with what? 3. Question number 3 and 8 you can left out in choice, or you can go for 3 and 4. It's not advisable because 4. If you feel that 4 is tough, you can skip 3 and 4 in choice, or you can go another option called it 1 and 3. You can go for choice. These are all the option you have to do. The best I am suggesting is what either 1 and 3 and 3 and 8. If you feeling that marginal costing second also tough, then you can go for. But very easy that one and all ABC and all never make any mistake. We are coming with marathon for ABC. We are solving all the previous question for you, friends. So you don't want to worry. If you want to get other exam decoding of other group 2 subjects, you can follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp channel. We are coming up with all these updates for you. You can get all these things in our page. The Telegram, WhatsApp, previous communication also you can able to access. If you follow our YouTube page, you can get us all these upcoming videos also. We are planning other subjects tomorrow also. So you can get those subjects. Now, my dear friends, you go the strategy, how the key factor, how the questions are coming, how important everything. Now you can work on it. So, chapter wise weightage, I told you, weightage chapter, we are coming out the free distribution where we are discussing everything, all the previous year exam, like the standard question only we are doing, previous year question only we are doing, MQP only we are planning to do, nothing else. So, you don't want to leave. So what I am requesting you that prepare very well. So some friends will ask me, sir, MCQ, what I will do? See, MCQ, what I'm suggesting is you just work out last 3 year, previous year MCQ plus MQB, model question paper released. That is enough. Then if you want, you can make the steady material backseat. You can go with what? Steady material backseat. You can able to score because majority MCQ are problem related. You have 60% will be problem related. You know marginal costing MCQ you can learn. Learning the, you can solve learning the MCQs. You know transfer pricing MCQ you can solve. Then why you want to worry? Why you want to take extra effort? That is not a problem. So you practice on this, make specific tip. Still, if you want further support on MCQs, we at our Eduhome Connect, we have a separate portal for MCQ where we are giving support for students how to crack MCQs. In our Eduhome Connect portal, eduhomeconnect.com, education to home. That is, you can learn at your home. We are coming to your home to make you a CMA. So here, all the webinars, all the subjects you can get it. Group 1, Group 2, all final level webinar you can find here. Now coming to resources. These are all free of cost, full of webinar free of cost. These resources, any subjects, any MTP, RTP, if you want our management accounting, if you want your MTP, suggest answer, question paper, everything you can get. If you go for MTP, you can get the details, everything free of cost. Now coming into test. CMA. We are coming to our management accounting. See, we are coming with all the previous year. We don't bring any unnecessary question. What is your book back, study material back say? What is previous year question? We are clubbing everything. Similar related question we are bringing, and we are bringing everything in an application where you can practice n number of times. You can go with a plan with a zero cost, bronze plan. You can plan 3-4 chapters. Then you can practice it. No issue. If you want to do practice more, we can upgrade to silver plan because now just exam is 12 days. I don't want you to go with a new plan and you can go with bronze or silver or even bronze is enough. Or if it is you don't have time for looking, you can go for this 3 year previous year question. You can able to crack. So this is how you have to practice, my dear friends. So I want to prolong by this session in this webinar because you're all in the timing of studies. We want to ensure one thing. If you're coming with a half an hour webinar or a 25 minutes webinar to you, it should be useful. So my dear friends, what I am suggesting you that prepare smartly. Smart preparation is required nowadays. I would like to tell you one small point in my preparation. When I was returning my exam, I am feeling that whether I am perfect or not. But when the result is coming, I am good with the all India rank and state first rank. That means lot of negative will be there. But if you prepare strategically, you can proud of yourself. The moment you pass, who will be more happy? Your parents will be more happy. Your friends will be more happy. So that we will let them happy, my dear friends, and your career will be settled. In this competitive era, professional qualification is very, very important. Those friends who told, I don't CMA professional course, we want to show them you are capable of getting past. You are the person who can beat this whole competitive examination and you can able to success in your life. We want to show them and throw on before them how your life are succeeding. Already friends? Yes. So you can able to follow all these in pages. We are coming up with the marathon session for you. Let us meet. So plan properly. You can able to score maximum mark. God bless you, my dear friends.